Do you want to play for a minute?
Sure.
All right, go up to the top and create a new mood board.
So add from gallery.
Yeah, so add from gallery and then see if you can go find those 2 mint green images and maybe that one line drawing one if you want to.
Yeah, let's see. I did put these in a folder. So
Yes.
when they load, they're loading. Okay, here we go. These should be all the same ones that are in my folder. Which one should I start with? Should I start with the illustrations or
I would just start with those 2 mint green ones. Let's just play with that
okay,
for a minute.
like this one and
2
this
is
one?
enough. Yeah, I would do those 2.
All right. Copy to my clipboard.
Perfect. Okay, so now let's go back and let's create a whole bunch of stuff. I would create graphics, the whole thing from my worksheet, graphics, textures, icons. Now, if you wanna do them all at once, we can, but I would do brackets.
Like this?
Yep,
Okay. Anything else? Backgrounds. Yeah.
sure, backgrounds, yeah, that's perfect.
All right. And then you were putting on, I think it was that was the ratio? Is that what the
Yeah,
ratio you
for
were using?
these, I like that ratio because
Mhm.
it's gonna give you images that you can use as backgrounds and stuff, and you might as well have it widescreen, so, yeah, 16 by 9
All right, perfect. This
should do it. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, so now why that's thinking, let's go ahead and run another one. So, because we're only working with 2 images, and I think that overall we have a vibe for you, go ahead and let's put in vintage country scene with a laptop on a picnic table or something like that.
We're adding chickens. Are we doing the chicken thing too?
I wouldn't worry about the chickens just yet. We can but I'm just trying to get you some additional graphics that we can use. So I would run that. And
Mm,
then let's do another one. So now do
okay.
another one that just say chickens in a field.
This is exciting.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I think I was getting pretty specific pretty early on. I think I never got the really generic stuff to even build that mood board to start with.
This is
Yeah.
the part that helps. Okay, so now scroll down and let's see what it gave us. And we'll look through them all. And you can pick out the ones that you really like. And we can see already, even though we're just putting in textures, backgrounds, these one word prompts, it's pulling from the mood board. So remember, it doesn't just pull like color scheme from the mood board, it pulls styles, artistic styles, photographic styles, and it also pulls subject matter. So it's creating a lot of assumptions from that mood board. And that's what it's using to create this, which is why you're getting these themes of these kind of old buildings and you're getting some really fun stuff. Look at the little laptop on the table.
I know. Yeah, and I think for me, just like this like that one, this just some of the more generic stuff could help build like a mood board for me that wouldn't confuse the prompts too much. Kind of like all the colors of this like the different that's fun. Like these three I like.
That's perfect. And so that's a really important one. That's an important distinction. So at this stage, we're not necessarily looking for pictures we actually want to use. We're looking for pictures to fill out the mood board. So we're looking for pictures that have style, colors, subject matter, themes that we want to echo in future things. And that's all we're building here. Yeah. So
Yeah.
I would go back into that mood board and I would add the ones of these that you really like.
Check this out. Yeah. See, this has got the chicken theme, but it's like really cohesive with that original board. I
Right.
love these are great. And now that we're creating a mood board around it, I'm starting to see this as a more viable direction for the overall branding because there's something about this that I think has like the ones that I had that were really colorful. I really love them, but I don't know if that works for like my website business. So it's like a little too playful, too much. And then the pictures with the actual live chickens on the computer are fun, but that's not really, it's hard to build anything cohesive out of that. This, I'm starting to see a direction now where I could build a very cool website with a very cool color palette. You know what I
Right.
mean? All right. So let's go ahead and personalize. And we will add from gallery. And yeah, definitely, I'm definitely gonna think I'm just gonna pick all the chicken ones.
I would. Yep.
Yeah. Any others you think I should pick that I didn't pick that might be
Like the country vibe, the top 2 in the top right, I wonder if any of those 3 appeal to you. 'Cause I
Mhm.
thought the country vibe of those was pretty good.
Maybe these 2 because they have the laptop.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah. Okay.
And
Cool.
that's
So
probably pretty good. Yeah.
yeah. Okay. So let's see what we've got now. Yeah. So this is like a much more cohesive mood board
Yeah. Yep.
compared to what I had before. Like this could actually produce something. Yeah.
So now I would go back to explore. I would pull some of those prompts that you really liked that you were trying to make something work, but run them with this mood board applied and see what you get. And I would try and create some of those pics with the chicken and the laptop and just see what it does.
Yeah, like a chicken at a desk. I don't
Yeah,
know. Yeah, so
perfect.
we can run that, see how that goes. And then let's see what other ones we've got.
And we don't necessarily want to take the time to do this right now, but one of the things I would do is when you run that, I would just click. I would just run. I would run like 4 of those like all at once because the chances of you even if you liked all 4 in the first prompt, see what it keeps doing. Like,
Yeah.
especially if you're building something for yourself or for a client, like just run.
So
Like,
basically I like put that in and then just run it the same exact thing over again, like multiple times.
yep,
Very interesting. Cool.
yep.
Should I do one of these?
You can. I wouldn't pull that in as a reference. I would just say chicken typing on a laptop and see what it does.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, I love this one. There you go.
Oh, I love it. Yeah. This one is adorable, but they're all cute and they're all more cohesive within that brand. Yeah. This would make a nice little banner, like a like top like I could see this being the hero banner on my website.
I could too.
Right.
Totally super eye catching. And if your whole site looks like this, that's gonna look super cohesive, super luxe.
I
I
think you
mean,
just branded my whole new website. Like when I get a, I like, yeah, because this is, I didn't think I was going to get like a personal tutorial today, but that's where I was going wrong. I was in there just creating all these random images and it didn't occur to me to create a separate mood board for the different types. And it's funny because the ones you picked out, I liked them, but you saw a vision, but you're a branding expert. This is why I don't do branding anymore. I used to do branding and now I do hand it off to people like you because you saw those two images and you had a vision.
yeah,
Oh, this is amazing.
super cool.